Have you ever wondered how to make $50,000 monthly on TikTok? Today we're going to explore just that. TikTok, the short-form video sharing app, offers more than just an outlet for creativity and entertainment. It's a platform filled with immense potential for income generation if you know how to leverage it. Imagine this, you're scrolling through TikTok, watching hilarious skits, impressive dance routines, and innovative DIY projects. Now, imagine earning from creating such content. Sounds too good to be true, right? But that's the reality for many TikTok users who have cracked the code. There are various ways to make money on TikTok, from brand partnerships and sponsorships, to the TikTok Creator Fund and even selling merchandise. But how does one get there? That's what we're here to discuss. This video will guide you through a step-by-step process to start making money on TikTok. We'll delve into understanding the platform and its algorithm, building a strong profile, creating engaging content, and finally, monetizing your account. Remember, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires time, effort, and a dash of creativity. But with the right approach and dedication, you could be on your way to making $50,000 a month on TikTok. And the best part? This process is beginner-friendly. So, whether you're a TikTok newbie or a seasoned user looking to monetize your content, this guide is for you. In the world of TikTok, creativity is currency. And with over 800 million active users worldwide, the potential to earn is massive. So if you're ready to transform your TikTok hobby into a lucrative business, you're in the right place. Ready to start your journey to making $50,000 a month on TikTok? Let's dive in. First things first, you need to understand TikTok and its algorithm. TikTok, a social media platform that took the digital world by storm, is a place for creators to share short-form videos with a global audience. Known for its trend-setting nature, TikTok has become a significant player in the social media field. Its unique selling point, the TikTok algorithm. The TikTok algorithm is the magic carpet that can take your content from 0 views to millions overnight. It's a complex system that decides which videos appear on your For You page, TikTok's equivalent of a home feed, but it's not all smoke and mirrors. Understanding how the algorithm works can help you create content that hits the mark and maximizes your earnings. So, how does this algorithm work? Well, TikTok uses a machine learning model that takes into account various factors such as the details of the videos you've interacted with, your device and account settings, and the details of your interactions, like the people you follow, the content you share, and the time you spent watching a video. The more the algorithm learns about your preferences, the better it becomes at predicting what you'll want to see next. It's like a digital butler, always trying to serve you the perfect video. Now you might wonder, how can understanding this algorithm help you earn big on TikTok? The answer is simple. The more your video aligns with the algorithm's preferences, the more likely it is to be shown to a wider audience. The algorithm promotes content that is engaging, original, and relevant. By tailoring your content to these criteria, you can increase your chances of reaching more viewers, gaining more followers, and ultimately, making more money. Remember, the TikTok algorithm is all about engagement. It rewards videos that keep viewers watching, sharing, commenting, and liking. Therefore, creating engaging content that resonates with your audience is key to unlocking the earning potential of TikTok. With a grasp of how the TikTok algorithm works, you're one step closer to your $50K a month goal. Now let's talk about building a strong TikTok profile. Your profile is the first impression you make, so it's crucial to get it right. Think of it as your digital business card. It's where potential followers decide if you're worth their time. First, your username. It should be catchy, easy to remember, and ideally, it should reflect your brand or personality. Next, your profile picture. Choose an image that stands out and represents who you are, or what your brand is about. It's not about looking perfect, it's about being authentic and relatable. Now your bio. This is your chance to tell your story in a few concise words. Make it engaging, and don't be afraid to show your personality. And remember, consistency is key. Your posts should align with your bio and overall brand. A strong profile is your foundation. Now let's move on to content creation. Content is king. Here's how to create content that earns. The first step to creating engaging content is understanding your audience. Who are they? What are they interested in? What makes them laugh, cry, or share a video with their friends? Once you have a clear picture of who your audience is, you can start creating content that resonates with them. This might mean incorporating humor, storytelling, or educational elements into your videos. Next, let's talk about trends. TikTok is a platform that thrives on trends. Users love to participate in viral challenges or dances, and they love to watch others do the same. So, keep an eye on the Discover tab to see what's trending, and don't be afraid to jump on the bandwagon. Just remember to add your own unique twist to make your content stand out. Hashtags are another powerful tool for making your content discoverable. They work like a filing system, helping TikTok categorize your content and connect it with users who are interested in those topics. So, do some research to find out which hashtags are popular in your niche, and use them in your video descriptions. Consistency is key when it comes to posting on TikTok. The more regularly you post, the more likely you are to get noticed by the algorithm and gain a following. Try to post at least once a day, and experiment with different times to see when your audience is most active. Lastly, don't forget about audience engagement. Respond to comments, participate in duets, and show appreciation for your followers. This will not only make your audience feel valued, but it will also encourage them to interact more with your content, boosting your visibility on the platform. So, to recap, know your audience, keep up with trends, use relevant hashtags, post regularly, and engage with your followers. These strategies will help you create engaging content that not only entertains but also earns. Remember, engaging content is the key to unlocking TikTok earnings. You've built your profile, created engaging content, now it's time to monetize. Let's dive into the various ways you can turn your TikTok account into a revenue-generating machine. First up, we have the TikTok Creator Fund. This is a pool of money that TikTok has set aside to support its creators. You can apply to join the Creator Fund once you've hit a certain threshold of followers and views. Once accepted, you'll start earning money based on the view count of your videos. This is a great way to earn passive income, but keep in mind that the more engaging your content, the more views you'll receive and the more money you'll make. Next on the list is brand partnerships. Think of this as the influencer side of TikTok. Brands are always on the lookout for popular creators to partner with in order to reach a wider audience. Depending on your niche and follower count, you could be approached by brands wanting to pay you to use, review, or promote their products in your videos. This method can be incredibly lucrative if you're able to secure partnerships with high-paying brands. Finally, we have live gifts. These are virtual gifts that your followers can purchase and send to you during your live streams. Each gift translates into a certain amount of diamonds, which you can then exchange for real money. This method requires a bit more effort as it involves interacting with your followers in real time, but it can also be a fun and rewarding way to connect with your audience while making money. Remember, when it comes to monetizing your TikTok account, diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Instead, aim to earn from a mix of the Creator Fund, brand partnerships, and live gifts. With these monetization methods, you're well on your way to making $50,000 monthly on TikTok. Let's recap what we've covered today. We started by introducing you to the potential of earnings on TikTok. We delved into the TikTok platform, shedding light on its algorithm, which is the backbone behind the visibility of your content. It's a complex system, but with the right understanding, you can make it work in your favor. We then moved on to the importance of building a strong TikTok profile. Your profile is your digital persona, and it's crucial to make it appealing and relatable to attract your target audience. Next, we discussed creating engaging content. Remember, originality and authenticity are your best friends here. Content that resonates with your audience is the key to gaining followers and boosting engagement. Finally, we explored various ways to monetize your TikTok account. From brand partnerships to the TikTok Creator Fund, numerous opportunities await you. With these steps, you're equipped to start your journey towards making $50,000 monthly on TikTok. So, what are you waiting for? Start today.